Alright guys, you're going to have to excuse the background noise, but it's my 2008 BMW 328xi, the full air ride system. What I really want to talk to you about was, excuse me, it's dirty, you know what I mean? Just sitting out here for a little while, it's my show car. But with DOI and stuff in this car. This has been shot with a Speedokote, Euro Clear, and the Speedokote color blender as a flake carrier or pigment carrier for the chameleon. We use our own chameleons. We have another business called Color Art. That's where we blend up our own pigments, but we haven't looked back since we started dealing with Speedokote. Actually, you'll see a bunch of videos on my channel with cars painted with their products. It's amazing, man. Honestly, you can't go wrong. For like 110 bucks, you can get damn near 2-gallon sprayable, and I tell you, it buffs out easy. It holds its gloss. It's ridiculous, man. Best clear on the market in my eyes. And I ain't getting paid nothing for saying this, man. I just want to share the wealth and let people know what it is. But man, you can't beat this. Speedokote, Euro Clear, check it out. And Speedokote Glamour Clear. And this is also Speedokote Jet Black Base Coat. It's $100 a gallon. It mixes 1-to-1, so you actually end up with 2 sprayable gallons. This is Easy from Easy's Custom / Prestigious Innovation Development. Hope y'all enjoy. Hope y'all go out and save y'all some money. Hit up Speedokote. They're a great company to deal with. I normally I order today, I get my shipment the following day. They're great, I'm telling you. They have sandpaper, they got it all, man. You can't go wrong with them, trust me. I've shot it all, and I can't find nothing better. The only thing better than their Euro Clear is their Glamour Clear, which I've showed in other videos. The Glamour Clear is straight completely amazing. The DOI on that, no buff needed, nothing. So, I'm telling you, check them out. Y'all can't go wrong. Holla at your boy. Peace.